Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word brew. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I like to brew my own beer at home using a variety of ingredients. Brew refers to the process of making a drink such as tea, coffee, or beer by steeping, boiling, or fermenting ingredients to extract flavor and create a beverage. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.